What's up, kings and queen? It's your girl Stacy, and I'm back today with another awesome video. I'm not going to be doing too much cooking in this video. My son had the nerves to challenge me to the 2-time spicy noodle. And you know, your girl don't back down from no challenge. So I'm in the process getting this prepared, and once it's prepared, it's challenge time. And I also challenge him back to sit and eat this with his mother. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get this ready, and we are going to get this party rolling. Woo! All right, guys, so we are back with the challenge. My son challenged me today to do the 2-time spicy noodles. Why did you challenge your mom? And you know I'm challenging you back, right? You ready for this?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Because I'm ready, because guess what? I don't need no water for this. You gonna need some milk. All right, you want to go first or should I go first? Let's both go together. You ready? All right, so I have some gum in my mouth. Let me take my gum out. All right, this is cakewalk. Put your hands over there. This is cakewalk. You ready? I can do this. I can so do this. 2-time spicy my ass. I could so do this. Put your hands over there. You okay? If you feel like quitting, you could go. This is so good. I tell you, you're gonna need some milk, boy. You're gonna need some milk. You okay? You okay? Okay, okay. You okay? This boy needs some milk. Somebody get him some milk. How dare you challenge your mom? You want to go get a water? Go get a water. Put it down. Go get a water. Go get. I tell you, this boy's gonna need some milk. I don't. This is good, but I'm gonna pay for this shit later with my heartburn. But other than that, this is good. I am the master of 2-time spicy. Not. You okay? You sure you want to continue?
Yeah, I'm a quitter.
You're not a quitter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Tastes good, right? You okay? Make sure you're okay. If you don't feel like up to the challenge, I suggest putting your fart down, right down, and walk away. Okay? Go ahead, baby. Go ahead.
No.
You sure?
No.
You sure? Somebody pass him some milk. Somebody, anybody, pass him some milk. Guys, listen, don't challenge me, okay? Don't you ever in your life. Listen. Listen. Let me talk to you for a second. Let me talk to you for a second. Let your mama talk to you for a second.
Quit.
Quit? Boy, I never quit. But, excuse me, I want to say this to you. Don't ever in your life, listen to me. Don't ever in your life. Stop shaking, because you're shaking. Listen to me. I want to tell you something about your mama. Don't ever challenge your mom. Because your mom's going to take that challenge up. And two, your mom ain't going to back down from no challenge.
I'm gonna quit.
Guys, his mouth is burning. He needs some milk. So, this is the 2-time spicy challenge. And as far as I see, I won. Because I have not drank any water
Come
yet.
on, I'm a kid.
You are not a kid. You are a teenager. So, next time you feel like you want to challenge your mom,
I'm ready.
all right. Guys,
Hot.
I enjoy making this video. It's all her. I enjoy making this video for you guys to show you that I'm like. All right, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Leave your comments down below what you think about this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, your girl is out. Bye.